Hey everyone, it's that time of the year again. Not Christmas time, though it is nearly that, but cold and flu season. And it's been going around here, we've all been feeling pretty rough and none of us have had an appetite. So I thought I would make some chicken noodle soup today because that's just pure comfort food. And also take the opportunity to show you a few of the other things that I like to do when we're not feeling well. So while I chop up a mixture of vegetables, so that's carrots, mushrooms and spring onions, with lots of good things like garlic and ginger, I will show you this is one of my favourite things to do when we're not feeling well. Or even if you've got the suspicion of feeling a bit, like a tickle in the throat, this works so well. It's fire honey. And you just get a jar of good honey and put into it some cayenne pepper, some ginger, some turmeric, and I like to use some thyme, dried thyme, and a little bit, just a dash because it's so potent, of oregano oil. Mix that together, and then when anyone's feeling like they might be coming down with something, or if you've got a really bad cough, you just take a small teaspoon of this and it works amazingly. And another great remedy to have around the house is fire cider. So you can make this as simple or as complicated as you like. It's turmeric, fresh ginger, just roughly chopped. Pop that into a jar and you can add whatever you like. I sometimes have added, I've got a big, you can see there's a big jar at the back. That one I've got garlic in. This one I'm literally just putting in ginger, turmeric, honey, and then a really good cider vinegar. And then you'll want to let that sit for a couple of months. And again, when a couple of tablespoons, you can have this either a couple of tablespoons if you're not feeling well, if you think you're coming down with a cold, or you can put it into some and have it with some fizzy water or something like that. Depending on what you put in it, it can be quite pleasant. I quite like it. Other people, I'm sure, will disagree that it's quite pleasant. It all depends if you don't mind the taste of cider vinegar. If you do dislike the taste of cider vinegar, I would still recommend this because it works so well. And not only that, it's just, a momentary taste of cider vinegar. If it makes you feel better, it's worth it. I absolutely love natural remedies and swear by them for so many things. If any of you have any good ones, please pop them in the comments. I'd love to give them a go. I've chopped the vegetables and now I am just going to soften the carrots slightly and put some oil in there. So I'm just going to pop the carrots in. I'm going to let those soften for a couple of moments, and I'm going to put the kettle on because I don't have any chicken stock, so I'm going to use these organic chicken stock cubes I've got. So I just need to boil a kettle to make that while that cooks. Add the mushroom to it, the green bits of, the white bits, sorry, though it says with green there, of the spring onion, a small chilli, and a few cloves, 3 cloves of garlic. And it's a really good idea, if you can, to chop your garlic and then let it sit for 10 minutes because it will make it more active. when you're trying to get the goodness from the garlic. So I'm just going to cook that for a minute and then add in our stock. We've got now a tin of bamboo. Tin of bamboo shoots, which I'm just going to add in, and bean sprouts, which I really struggled to find in the shops. Normally you can get tins of them. I would really recommend freezing your ginger for times like this, so that you can, because it's so easy to then grate, and you then always have ginger in the house. And I'm just going to add the chicken in as well now. Pour in the stock. Got some soy sauce, which I'm going to add in. And don't put any pepper and salt in until you've added your soy sauce, because you don't want it to be too salty. And I'm just going to have a taste. And actually, I don't think I need any more. So I'm just going to let that cook now for about 10 minutes, and I'm going to put the noodles on and get those ready. I'm just going to put some of the noodles into the bowl. And then, actually, let's move this around here. Oh. And then just pop some of the broth on top, and sprinkle it with a little bit of the green spring onions. So we will really enjoy that. I think it's going to make us feel so much better. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye.